Hey everyone, Lee, Okanagan Sawmill. Another video today. We've got a few walnut smaller pieces. I'm just trying to tidy up the yard a little bit, so I just want to get these last few things out the way. So I've got just this one on the mill. So they're pretty small diameter, only like 10-12 inches, something like that. And then I got these other two pieces over here as well. So this one's a little bit better. So yeah, I mean, obviously they'll just end up being, oi, say hello. Yeah, obviously they'll just end up being charcuterie boards or something, but it seems criminal just to turn them into firewood when I can yeah, turn them into something else. All right, I will okay, I will get you set up, and yeah, let's get sawmilling. Okay, so we got the, so I'll just turn around, the sun's getting pretty bright now. So yeah, I got those three little logs milled up, so I'll just show you what I got. So So I got 4 pieces out of the bigger one. These are all 2 inches thick, by the way, so they're like, you know, a decent thickness. So yeah, I think there's some really nice grain. Obviously they're not massive, so it's not yeah, going to be a table or anything like that. It's certainly not a dining room table. So I got 4 slabs out of one. I got 3 slabs out of another one. And again, we got some really nice grain. So I think once they put finish on and everything, it'll look pretty good. I would do a water pot, but the place is already a swamp. And then realistically, I only got 2 out of this one. I mean, that one there is probably a little chunk at the end there, which shall be a charcuterie board or something maybe. But then there's these couple here as well. So what's that, 10 slabs? So yeah, 10 slabs is not too terrible for 3 little essentially firewood logs, but I think this is a bit too nice to throw in the firewood pile. So, and who doesn't like walnut? So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how they turned out. They were all right, not too bad. This one's definitely the better of the log. It was that little bit bigger. So alrighty, well, I think that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.